Bum.
Don't answer, let me tell you something.
Oh, no. Hello?
Oh, Frank, let me ask you something. Where you been? Witness protection or something?
Hey, Andrew.
Pizza, onde fa scendere proprio? Onde chiamo io? Onde fa scendere, manco una stizza picca picca, bro. We don't hear from you at all. I almost forgot what you look like.
That's not true.
Bro, but let me ask you something. How you been? How's the family? Everyone good? Thank God, thank God, thank God.
Yeah.
Frank, but let me ask you something. How's work? Frank, but let me ask you something, honestly. You think you're going to open up
Angelo.
before
Angelo.
Memorial Day this year? Or after Memorial
Angelo.
Day?
Angelo, let me talk. Angelo, fammi parlare.
After Memorial Day, and I gotta tell you, mi passa una cosa veramente pazza. You know what I'm saying? Technically, you should be opening up before Memorial Day, but whatever. Frank, you know what? I'm gonna come. Fumble Cafe, I'll be right there.
No. Don't come over. No.
All right, bye.